Only TalkFusion offers so much for so little. We bring the world together with our innovative video email product. It's the next evolution of email as it combines the power of video with the ease of email. Add a new dimension to your business communications. Stand out from the competition. Stay in touch with friends and family. TalkFusion easily lets you do it all. No more boring black and white text emails, and it's so simple anyone can use it. In fewer than 60 seconds, you can send a vibrant video email to anyone, anywhere in the world. Just upload or record a video and place it in one of our eye-catching templates. Choose from thousands of themes made for every occasion and available in many languages. You can even request a custom template from our world-class design team that will perfectly match your brand and help you stand out in the inbox. Simply give us your logo, your images, and your ideas, and in just a few days, we'll create a one-of-a-kind moving masterpiece, tailor-made just for you. Video email is personal. It's perfect for saying happy birthday, congratulations, I love you, get well soon, or just to say hi. You can send holiday greetings and announce life-changing milestones in a unique way, from weddings and engagements to birth announcements and graduation. Businesses and TalkFusion make a great pair. From family-owned to Fortune 500, TalkFusion is your answer. There's no limit as to what video email can do to help grow your business, skyrocket your sales, build brand loyalty, boost customer retention, reduce advertising costs, qualify sales leads, and increase response rates. The uses are endless. Thank customers for their business. Send appointment reminders. Command your audience's attention for your next product launch, property tour, promotional event, fundraising effort, employee communication, and so much more. For charities, video emails can uniquely touch the hearts and minds of people, inspiring them to take action and support your organization. It's perfect for fundraising, thanking donors, event promotion, volunteer sign-up, and more. TalkFusion is smart and impressively innovative. With real-time tracking, you'll be able to see who's watched your video email, how many times, when, and even for how long. Instantly identify who's hot and who's not. Save time, save money, and send smarter with TalkFusion. And we didn't stop there. We take video emails beyond the inbox. With a few clicks, TalkFusion turns your video emails into viral sensations, reaching your audience wherever they are. Whether it's social media or sharing them via text, it's never been easier to stand out. You'll get world-class support, constant innovation, and unbeatable value. And if you're interested, TalkFusion also offers an affiliate opportunity where you can get paid in only 1 minute by introducing TalkFusion to others. Put the power of TalkFusion to work for you today.